trying to record it here. It's going to start to fuss. Alright. Alright. Bye. Yeah, what else? Da da da.
And then what did you do after that? What did you do?
You got some hiccups.
Now somebody's got the glisters, huh? Where did you find those words today?
You got anything else to say? Na na da da da. Because really, the last 45 seconds, you've just made us look ridiculous on this thing. Is that the goal? Da 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 da.
Do we put the camera?
It's hard to talk with a third of a cup in your mouth. I don't.
Yeah, well, I just so too. This is so funny, Liz. She just gave you the eye. Oh, the little monkey. You gotta clean the blueberry juice off your tray, sis.
Alright, don't say anything else. I'm going to stop recording. Uh-huh. Okay? Rosie signing off.